guys. Very good. Laundry, Leo, you forgot to say laundry. Yeah, laundry, washing dishes, cooking. Before, you know guys, before, I make try on whole live stream. Before, try on whole live stream. But I like dancing, guys. Dancing is my favorite. Los major response. Yeah, very flexible, bro. I was in a trash. I think I have appointment with Santa. Appointment with Santa. Laundry is next. Laundry. I always doing laundry. Doing laundry, guys. Before I dancing standing here. But you know guys, my legs is very hurting when I dancing standing. That's why I dance sitting now, sitting. Hi my person, do you have any videos on? I don't have Patreon. I'm good girl. Your best fan are here. Your best fan are here, Princess Glow. Yeah. Yeah, Sir Leo. Braid tomorrow, please. Braid my hair tomorrow. Tomorrow. Okay, I will try. Before, you remember Nixon, before I'm doing live braid my hair? I'm looking for a cheap Ferrari for Blue Nixon. Ferrari! I see Ferrari on Timo, Gary Smith, for only 200 pesos. Ferrari toys. I go half with you, Gary. I go half. If you drunk on Christmas, if you drunk on drunk, I don't drunk in Christmas. I don't drink any drunk. I don't drink any drunk alcohol, guys. Even, you know, guys, even wine, I never try to drink. I never try to drink wine. I hope I drink this Christmas. Ferrero Rocher, okay. Yeah, Ferrero Rocher. My kids love Ferrero.